Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn about how to customize the Ionic Fab button. So in this tutorial, you can create your own customized Fab button. So we are gonna start by making a new project. You just have to go here and make a sample project. So once you have created the project, you can start with this HTML part. I have already created it. I will just let you know. Let's check here. It's loading. See, now it has been cleared as I have commented the code. Now we will start building a fab button. And fab this button here. Okay, so right. Horizontal end. So this button will be the horizontal was at the end of the page and vertically top. So top corner we are fitting this button. See here. Uh, Horizontal end means end of the page, and vertical top position. If we do it to the down, and here is the start, so the button will be the downside of the page and from the starting of the page, left side of the page, that means. So button will be coming here. Okay, okay, fine. Top end. Okay, vertical down, horizontal start, vertical down, center. Okay, bottom, sorry. We are going to use for bottom to show the button downside of the page here. See, as you can see, the button is at the downside. Okay, and if you want to keep it in the center, type here center. So button will come in the center of the page here. See, okay, it has come left side because we have put the condition here, horizontal start, right? So for that we have to put here also center. So now button will be in the center of the page here, the middle of the page. See, so this part iron fab horizontal center, vertical center, we define the position of the button. Now as we have to put it on top, and here will be end, so it will be on the top and at the end position of the page. So by this you can give the position of the button. It is come to the start. Wait a second. And okay, okay, sorry. Here it will be end and here it will be top. Horizontal end and vertical top. Correct. So it will come here. Okay. So by this way you can give the position of the button. Now and fab position is done. Now we are going to add the Iron Fab button, and after that we are going to add the list. Okay. So by this Iron Fab button, you are going to add name will be the add icon. You can uh, put another icon also, like, so the button is added. First we have added the position, now we have added the button. So after clicking on this, and fab list is not opening because we have commented that part of the code. You can change the icon also. We are putting a share, so it will show the share icon instead of add. See, here it comes the share button. So we are going to do it like put the add only. Now we are going to add the list, Iron Fab list. So we're going to uncomment this code. So now we have added the Iron Fab list. Inside that part, we are going to add the Iron Fab button again. By like this, we have added the first button. Inside that Fab list, we are going to add another button, which will be open on the click of this add button. So we have added the Iron Fab button. Color is we have given light. You can give any color, and logo is icon is Facebook, and another is Twitter, and another is. So we have to check the list. So this is the Iron Fab button on the top right side corner of the page. Then we have given the icon as add, so that's why this plus icon is there. Now in the list page we have given the Facebook, Twitter, and we. So by this you can create the Iron Fab button. So we are going to add one button to the center of this page. To implement this code. See. So by this we have given the position top, left, right, and down. I will explain you the code. This is the code. See, first of all, the Iron Fab button is at the center position. Both we have kept it to the center. Then we have given the that button name of app outline name. After that, Fab list, slide top, slide end, slide bottom, slide start. So this part will define where the list will open. So we have given the four buttons. One is for share, document, camera, and airplane. Four buttons are sliding opposite to each other. First one is to the top, which is share button. See, share is to the top, aeroplane is the left, document is to the right, and camera is to the down. So by this tag, you can give the position to the button where it should slide. So this is how you can create your Ionic Fab customized button. Thank you.